In this video, we listed the 5 best massage guns that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Bob & Brad X6 Pro. The Bob & Brad X6 Pro is an upgraded deep tissue percussion massage gun designed specifically for athletes and strength trainers, featuring a powerful 120W motor with 55 pounds stall force and 10.5 mm amplitude for effective muscle recovery. Its innovative all-titanium alloy metal massage head enhances percussion impact, promoting faster recovery times. Battery life is robust, with a 2500 mAh lithium-ion battery offering up to 4 hours of continuous use, complemented by a 10-minute auto shut-off to avoid muscle damage from prolonged use. Weighing only 0.9 kilograms and equipped with a noise-reducing brushless motor, this massage gun operates quietly, making it suitable for various environments. It offers 5 speed settings, 2000-3200 RPM, and 5 interchangeable heads to target different muscle groups, making it an ideal gift for anyone in need of comfort and pain relief throughout the day. Number 2. TheraGun Quiet Massage Gun. The TheraGun Prime is a corded electric, whole-body massage gun designed for effective deep tissue muscle treatment and post-workout recovery. Made from durable polycarbonate and weighing 3.77 pounds, it features a simplified smart percussive therapy system that relieves discomfort, soothes tightness, and improves recovery time. The device comes with 4 high-quality foam attachments tailored for various needs, including trigger points, lower back pain, foot and hand massage, and muscle treatment across large and small areas. Its ergonomic design, featuring a patented triangle handle, reduces wrist, hand, and arm strain, allowing flexible positioning for tension release and improved range of motion. With 5 customizable speed settings displayed via LED indicators, the TheraGun Prime can adapt to sensitive areas or deliver full power for effective pain relief. It also connects to the TheraBody app for personalized wellness routines and guidance, making it a versatile tool for addressing issues like arthritis, sciatica, and plantar fasciitis while promoting overall personal wellness. Number 3. Hyperice Hypervolt Go 2. The Hypervolt Go 2 by Hyperice is a compact, lightweight, and travel-friendly handheld massage device designed for whole-body use. Weighing just 680 grams, 1.5 pounds, it features a cordless design with a 3-hour battery life and is TSA approved for carry-on travel. Powered by a brushless high-torque 40W motor, it offers 3 speed settings and incorporates patented Quiet Glide technology for quiet operation, allowing you to use it without disrupting your environment. The device is powered by a rechargeable battery and comes with a 5V USB-A to USB-C charging cable, not compatible with USB-C to USB-C cables. Easy to operate with an LED power indicator, the Hypervolt Go 2 delivers portable relief and muscle recovery on the go, making it an ideal companion for active lifestyles. Number 4. RAEMAO Massage Gun. The RAEMAO Deep Tissue Massage Gun is a battery-powered, portable device designed to provide effective pain relief and muscle relaxation. Weighing just 1.85 pounds and made of durable plastic, it features 8 specialized, easy-to-clean massage heads tailored for different muscle groups, making it suitable for back, arm, neck, leg, and overall muscle massage. With a maximum speed of 3200 RPM and 10 adjustable speed settings, it helps reduce muscle stiffness, tension, and soreness while promoting blood circulation and alleviating fatigue. The massage gun operates with a low noise level of just 40 dB, thanks to its advanced brushless motor, ensuring a quiet user experience in any setting. It includes a smart LED touchscreen for speed adjustment and battery level monitoring, with a battery life of up to 5 hours per charge. Additionally, the device automatically stops after 10 minutes of continuous use to protect both the user's health and battery life. Lightweight and easy to carry, the RAEMAO Massage Gun comes with a USB charging cable and user manual, making it an excellent gift for family and friends. Number 5. TOLOCO Massage Gun. The TOLOCO Deep Tissue Massage Gun is a battery-powered device designed to relieve muscle tension, alleviate pain, improve circulation, and break down lactic acid. Weighing only 3 pounds and made of durable plastic, it features 7 adjustable speed levels ranging from 2200 to 3300 RPM, catering to the needs of everyday users, athletes, and fitness professionals. Operating at a low noise level of under 40 decibels, it is suitable for use in various settings such as homes, gyms, offices, and physical therapy rooms. The massage gun comes with 10 interchangeable massage heads, allowing for targeted muscle relaxation in different body areas like the back, shoulders, and legs. Its non-slip handle ensures a secure grip even during intense use. Additionally, the device boasts a large LED display that shows speed levels, remaining battery life, and massage pressure. Equipped with a high-quality, long-lasting battery and a convenient USB charger, the massage gun is easy to use and portable, thanks to its exquisite packaging.